Mila heard tapping inside the vents of her new apartment. At first, it seemed random until it followed a pattern. 3 knocks, a pause, then 3 more. One night, she pressed her ear to the vent and heard someone whisper, "I see you." Maintenance found nothing. That night, the tapping returned louder, and this time from the vent in her bedroom. Mila recorded the vent overnight. At 3:12 a.m., a pair of eyes appeared, staring through the grate. The police didn't believe her. That night, she taped the vent shut. Around a.m., a note slid under her door. It said, "Taping it doesn't help. I know other ways in." Like and subscribe for part 2.